हरि राजा राजा हरि राजा
नमस्कार मित्रों, रामकृष्ण हरी. हरिकीर्तन प्रबोधिनीच्या कीर्तन प्रशिक्षण कार्यशाळेत आपल्या सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे.
Devotee does everything with the feeling of Shri Krishna Arpanamastu. All the actions are being performed by the grace of the God, and I am only a medium. But this feeling should be real, as the God knows everything. So, if you want to please the God, you have to follow the path of devotion. The path of devotion. Let us now consider the second verse. In this verse, Sant Tukobarai has stated another principle. Point number 2. This Sripati stands where Vaishnavas perform kirtan. My abode is where my devotees do kirtan. Consistent perseverance in constant praise. Sadatam kirtayanto mam yatantasya drudhavataha namasyantasya mam bhaktya nityayukta upasate. There is such magic in the chanting of the name of God that the Lord, who is everywhere, is automatically attracted to the chanting. The name of God is the means of inviting God. The man you call runs to you. In the same way, after calling the name of God, He also comes running to us. निजल्याने गाता उभा नारायण बैसल्या कीर्तन करिता डोले उभा राहुनिया मुखी नाम वदे नाचे हा गोविंद नाना छंदे मार्गे चालता मुखी नाम वाणी उभा चक्रपाणी मागे पुढे तुका म्हणे यासी कीर्तनाची गोडी प्रेमे घाली उडी नामासाठी विठ्ठल विठ्ठल विठ्ठल. Even if you sing the name of God while sleeping, this Narayan stands like a servant. If you sit down and sing the name of God, Narayan starts nodding. If you stand up and sing His name, He starts dancing. If the devotee remembers the name while walking, the Lord starts following him and takes care of him at each and every step. He is so fond of Kirtan that he suddenly jumps to rescue his devotee. Now, when to sing the name of God? The answer to the question is any time. There is no prescribed time for singing the name of God. Sant Janabai says, Dalita Kandita Tuze Gaina Ananta Dalita Kandita Navisambe Shanabhari Tujhe Naam Gamurari. Janabai has to do the housework. She was a housemaid. Therefore, she used to recite the name while doing all the work. Sant Sena Maharaj says, Guna doshayati na vichari kahi dhave lavalahi bhakta kaja avaghe kali vache mana narayana sena manekshana zaun dyawa. You have to think of the God's name wherever you are, all the time. There is no better time to sing the name of God. My God is the true Savior, and He has promised to come to the rescue of His devotees from all odds. He does not see anything good or bad in the behavior of His devotees. He is ready to take immediate action to help the devotee. So, always remember the name of Narayan forever. Do not waste a single moment in your life in doing useless things. Sant Sena Maharaj was a barber of the king and used to go every morning to the palace to offer his service to the king. Once, Sena Maharaj was doing routine worship which involves a long procedure, and he was called by the king suddenly. But it was not possible to go without completing the worship, and to disobey the king is also perilous. So the God came to the rescue of his devotee and visited the king's palace to offer his service. When the king is looking into the mirror, to his astonishment, he saw the figure of the God, Shankha Chakra Gadahati. He saw the same figure standing behind in the water cup. Later, when real Sant Sena Maharaj went to offer his service to the king, he asked a question: why do not I see the God's figure in the mirror and the bowl of the water today? Sant Sena Maharaj realized everything and said, Maharaj, you have seen the real God that day when I was busy in the worship. I am his servant. How could I show that kind of miracle? It is really impossible for me. When the king realized that the God had come to serve him, he got the great surprise of his life. He also realized Sant Sena Maharaj is a true devotee of the God. Sena Maharaj has a regret that he had been worshipping God and the God is busy with his work. Thus, Sant do not feel proud of their authority to employ the God to do their own tasks. He says, that time is precious, so don't waste it. Therefore, the name of the God should be sung without wasting a single moment. Then only God comes running without wasting time. Vithala, Vithala, Vithala. Sant Niroba Rai says, जो जो काळ कीर्तनी जाय तो तो होय सार्थक न्यामणे ऐसा निकाय उपाय नेटका सकळांसी. All the time spent in Nama Sankirtana becomes meaningful. Everyone should do the same thing. तरी कीर्तनाचे निनटनाचे नाशिले व्यवसाय प्रायश्चितांचे जे नामची नाही पापाचे ऐसे केले. If you sing the name of the God when all the sins have been extinguished soon, so there is no need to make atonement. There are various pious places on the earth which can purify the sinners. But if you develop the habit of singing the name of God, then these places have become meaningless for you. त्रिवेणी संगमी नाना तीर्थे भ्रमी चित्त नाही नामी तरिते व्यर्थ. The name of God destroyed the mountains of sins. So Yamlok was deserted. यमदमावकळा आणिली तीर्थे ठाया वरुणी उठविली यमलोकी खुंटिली रहाटी आघवी. By the power of the name of God, the sorrows of the world are gone. The feeling of true happiness was created everywhere. ऐसे माझे नाम घोषे नाही करीती विश्वाची दुःखे अवघे जगची महासुखे दुमदुमीत भरले. When a man dies, we say he went to the Vaikuntha. But Hari Bhaktas have made this world Vaikunthamaya. कही का देने वैकुंठा जावे, ते तिही वैकुंठची केले आघवे. ऐसे नाम घोष गौरवे, धवळले विश्व. Okay. What will the devotee do after going to Vaikuntha? If the chief minister is not at Varsha Bungalow, so what is the use of going there? This Lord is so agile that he does not even captured by the yogis. So, how and where will he be found? Tomi Vaikunthi nase, ekavir bhanu bimbi na dise, vari yogiyanchi himanase, umarodo nidaya. Sant Tukaram Maharaj says, नाम संकीर्तन साधन पैसों पे, जळतील पापे जन्मांतरी. जळतील पापे जन्मांतरीची, जळतील पापे जन्मांतरीची. न लगती सायास जावे वनांतरा, सुखे तो घरा Narayana. Just sing the name of God. He comes to your house asking for your address. Pari tayapashi pandava, mi harpala givasawa, जेथ नाम घोष बरवाय, करीती ते माझे. Mauli Nanopar says, एक तत्व नाम दृढ़ धरी मना, हरिसी करुणा येईल तुझी. हरिसी करुणा येईल तुझे, ते नाम सोपे रे रामकृष्ण गोविंद. वाचेसी सद्गद जपागी. The biggest example is of Sant Savatmali Maharaj. Sant Savatmali says that our work is the worship of God. If you do your duty honest way, then you automatically gets the salvation. Some people are unaware of the duties towards the society also. There is no use of such people. Sautoba was a gardener. He was doing his business of horticulture. He loves watering the flowers and the plants. He then compared the peace of mind and love for the work to the aromatic flowers which he was cultivating. He did everything very honest way, and so he need not to visit the place of God, but he can see the presence of God in all the forms of the flowers in his garden. This is his divine experience, and This is expressed in his Abhanga. Sant Savta Mari says, we are became fearless because the name of the God that we chant every day, even though the God of death comes before us, we will hit him on his forehead. We will bring the glory of the God to our kirtan, dancing with chanting the name of our God, Sri Vithala. We are living the blissful life. We celebrate the festival which is more blissful than Deepavali. That God is very lovingly stored in our heart. Yes, you to follow this devotional path of love for God. This ensures that all the 4 types of salvations, 4 muktis, will fall on your feet. People said, why Maharaj is not coming to the Pandari to see Vithoba? Maharaj said, the God comes to my field. How can I leave him and come with you to Pandari? Vithoba is everywhere in my field. Let us now turn to the 3rd verse. This Panduranga is spread all over the place and it is filled everywhere. The poet Morapanta says, Bhujala teja samirakha काष्टादिकीय से भरला स्थिरचर व्यापुनी तो परमात्मा दशांगुळे उरला. Sant Parisa Bhagavat says, the whole eternal world is mere reflection of the God. And the God is omnipresent. It is the real knowledge, and the devotees see the God everywhere, as there is no such place where there is no presence of God. The God is present in the tiny particles of the atoms also. One can find the God inside of everything, and you also find the God outside. Sant Parisa Bhagavat had understood this Vitthal is everywhere and he possesses the God wholeheartedly. He knows nothing except the God. Janabai was asked, where is the God? Then Janabai said, what said? Deva khate, Deva pite, Deva varimi nijate, Deva dete, Deva ghete, Deva save व्यवहारिते. देव येथे देव तेथे देवा विन नाही रीते. जनी मने विठाबाई भरू निवरले अंतरबाही. You say, I eat pizza and pasta. But Janabai says, I eat God. You say, I drink Limca. Janabai says, I drink God. You say, I pay money. Janabai says, I pay God. You say, I buy food. But Janabai says, I buy God. You say, I sleep in the bed. Janabai says, I sleep on the God. You say, Janabai, are you crazy? Are you mad? Is it the bed or is it the God? What are you doing? Janabai says, oh, God is above and God is below. There is nothing left but the God. Now I tell you, there is God. Don't sit there. Then where can you sit? After all, don't sit on God. Then I sleep on God. Which bed do I have? To realize that everything is occupied with the God, Vitthal, it is the true knowledge. Sant Sautoba Mali was inspired by this insight. He says, I can see my God Vitthal in onion, radish and various kind of vegetables, garlic, chilies and other vegetables have also been shaped by my God Hari. I can see the presence of Pandhari in my veil, the rope and the other instrument with which I fetch water from the well. I planted various plants and busy with the task of cultivation and the gardening. I feel that my work could bond me permanently to the feet of my God, Sri Vitthal. We can see very beautiful combination of Bhakti Yoga and Karma Yoga here. This is the perfect bond with the God. He has said, Savata mane kela mala. Savata mane kela mala. Vitthal dekhiela dola. Savata Mali Maharaj is always engaged in the work of the field. He don't even have time to do Pandharpur Wari. He is busy. But what he cultivates? Kanda mula bhaji avagi vithabai maji. Kanda mula bhaji avagi vithabai maji. So, he developed such a feeling of devotion that God come to meet Savata Mali Maharaj. So, Sant Sautoba Maharaj says, Vaikuntica Deva Anoya Kirtani Vitthal Gaoni Natsurangi Savatamane Aisa Bhakti Margadhara Tere Mukti Dwara Orangati.
Thala, 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 thala.
आमच्या हरिकीर्तन प्रबोधिनीच्या www.learnkirtan.in या वेबसाईटला भेट द्या आणि हरिकीर्तन प्रबोधिनीचे समर्थक आणि प्रबोधक होण्यासाठी या अभ्यासक्रमाला प्रवेश द्या.